Pre-preparing formula and storing it in the fridge can be a great time saver, and of course, time is precious when you've added taking care of a child to your life. However, formula must be prepared safely and according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure your child doesn't get sick. It's best practice to keep formula in the container you bought it in. This reduces the risk of cross-contamination with food residue and bacteria. Be sure to store all formula containers according to the manufacturer's instructions, which will usually indicate a cool and dark dry place. The manufacturer will specify instructions for preparing formula, but before preparation you should always consider washing your hands with warm water and soap, as well as making sure the area that you're using to prepare the formula is clean and clear. Remember that tap water can be boiled in a kettle and left to cool covered for 30 or so minutes. Be sure to test the water using a sterile thermometer or with a few drops on the inside of your wrist. If it's comfortable and doesn't sting, it's okay to use. Follow the measurements specified by the manufacturer to get the quantity your child prefers. And because your little one's stomach and appetite are constantly growing, it's always best to over-cater than under-cater. Ensure you follow precisely any directions the manufacturer specifies regarding mixing, swirling, or shaking the formula. Keep in mind that you should use formula within an hour of mixing, and that if formula is left at room temperature, you must discard it after 1 hour. Although formula is safest if used immediately, you can store formula in the fridge for up to 24 hours after mixing. If you decide to put it in the fridge, then you should opt for the back and center of the fridge. If your child prefers warm formula, you can heat formula up within its container or bottle by placing it in a bowl or a saucepan of warm water with the heat turned off. You can also buy bottle warmers for this purpose, but you should never use the microwave to warm it up. After heating, swirl it around to distribute the heat and liquid evenly. Remember not to reuse mixed formula that your little one has fed from, and that parents or caregivers who are sick should avoid preparing formula.